Howdy everyone, we're going to do a quick break. We're going to just do one Chronicles 2019 to 2021. Let's see what we get. Well, of course, we're looking for the Jaws and Zions for this year. So, let's see where we go. Kyle Thompson, Jason Hayes, Derrick Rose, Zion Williams, that we're looking for. Dezorana. What do we have here? Steph Curry. Ja. All right, we got a Ja and a Zion on the same pack. Sweet. Okay, I cannot see the name. Trae Young. Nice. Davis Raptors. That's pretty awesome. Derrick Rose. Kobe White. Anthony Davis. Kendrick Nunn. And we got a second Zion. That's awesome. Let's look the way it shines. Crazy. And our last guy, Jordan Poole. Sweet. Let's just kind of look at our highlights. Got a Zion. We got a Ja posterizing. And we got another Zion. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe or like this video.